Hello students, good afternoon all. Okay, today we are learning our concept 8.2, that is the divide 2 digit and 3 digit numbers by 1 digit numbers. Okay, we are learning our chapter division, and today we are going to solve the workbook from our mathematics workbook part 2. Okay, and now let us solve from the page number 20 recall section. Okay students, so here we do have the multiple choice questions. So here 21 divided by 3. So as we know that 3 का टेबल बोलना है जब तक 21 नहीं आते, तो 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and 3 7s are 21. So where is the 7? So yes, in our option D there is a 7. So here our option D is the correct. So write down D here, and here we have to write down the 7. Now okay, every division fact has two multiplication facts. जो भी division facts होती है उसको क्या होते हैं, 2 multiplication fact होते हैं. So here our answer is the 2, and here we have to write down the option A. Okay, now 4, ये 16 divided by 4 है. 4 4s are 16. 4 का टेबल बोलना है जब तक 16 नहीं आते. 4 1s are 1, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16. So here option B is the correct option. So you have to write down the B over here. Okay students, now let us solve remembering and understanding section. Multiple choice question. The quotient in 45 divided by 5. So जो क्वेश्चन होता है वही हमारा आंसर होता है. दैट इज द 5 से हमें डिवाइड करना है 45 को. तो 5 का टेबल हमें बोलना है जब तक 45 नहीं आते. सो वी नो दैट 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, and 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Yes, 5 9s are. So here our D option is the correct, because 9 option given in the D option. So here we have to write 9, and here we have to write down the D. Okay students, now example 5, the remainder when 81 is divided by 9. So 9 से जब हम 81 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो 9 के टेबल में तो 81 आते हैं. जब भी उसके टेबल में वो नंबर आता है तो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या रहता है, 0 रहता है. सो यस, 9 9s are 81. सो यहाँ पर 9 आएगा उसका क्वोशंट, और रिमाइंडर एज यूजुअल यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, हमारा 0 आएगा. सो यस, हियर आवर ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो 0 is the remainder, and we have to write down here the B. Now the quotient when 42 is divided by 6 is 6 7s are 42. yes, 6 के टेबल में हमारा आते हैं 42, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, and 6 7s are 42. So yes, our option C is the correct, and we have to write down here C, and here the quotient is the 7. Okay, now let us solve the fill in the blanks. Example 7, the quotient when a number is divided by itself is always 1. okay, तो क्वेश्चन कितना आएगा अगर हमने उसी नंबर से उसी नंबर को डिवाइड किया. फॉर एग्जांपल चलो मान लेते कि 10 से 10 को ही डिवाइड किया तो 10 1s are 10. अगर 45 से 45 को ही डिवाइड किया तो 45 1s are 45. देन 23 से 23 को ही डिवाइड किया तो 23 1s are 23. सो व्हेन अ नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय इटसेल्फ, तो उसी नंबर से उसी को ही डिवाइड करना है, तो क्या आएगा जवाब हमेशा हमारा 1. सो इज द ऑलवेज ओ एन 1, और यू कैन राइट द 1 इन नंबर ऑल्सो. द रिमाइंडर व्हेन 37 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 5, देन व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर, लेट अस चेक इट आउट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो 37 divided by 5. So let us do it. 37, and here is the 5. So we know that 3 is the smaller number, so consider the 37. So table बोलना है, yes, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, and 5 7s are yes 35. So it is the closer number to the 37. Let us do the subtraction. 7 minus 5 5 6 7. So 2 is the answer. 3 minus 3 is the 0. So what is our remainder? Yes, our remainder is the number 2. So that is our remainder. Okay, so here write down the answer is the number 2. So remainder when 37 is divided by 5 is the 2. The quotient dash dash when 18 is divided by 2. तो 2 का यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आया, 2 के टेबल में तो 18 आते हैं. So 2 9s are 18. So here we can write down the easily answer is the 9. Now here we have very short answer question. 24 divide 24 by 4. So let us do the division over here. So we have to write down 24 and the 4. Now we know that 2 is the smaller number, but we have to say 4 table. Okay, 4 का टेबल हमें बोलना है till 24 के आसपास का नंबर नहीं आता. So we know that 4 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and 4 6s are, yes, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24. So 24 minus 24 minus 4 is the 0, 2 minus 2 is the 0. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is the 6. That is 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And remainder कितना रहता है इसका? 0. So here we got the answer is the 6. Yes, now we do have 63 divided by 9. So let us do the division here. 63 divided by 9. 9 1s are 1. Okay, 6 is the small number, so consider the 63. 9 1s are 1, 9 5s are 45. Okay, 9 6s are 54, and 9 7s are, yes, 9 7s are 63. So here we have to take the number 7. So 3 minus 3 is the 0, and 6 minus 6 again 0. So what we get? We get remainder 0 and our quotient, that means our answer is the 7. So here we can write down 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. Okay students, so now that example you can easily solve like above examples. So that is for your homework part. Now here divide 95 by 8, write the quotient and the remainder. So it is short answer question, example number 13. So let us do the division here. So 95 and we have to write here 8. So it's a bigger number from 9. So let us take the 8 1s are 8. Okay, so here we have to do the subtraction. 9 minus 8 is the 1. Now 5 take below. Now we get the number 15. Now 8 1s are 1, 8 2s are 16. 16 is a bigger number. So take again 8 1s are 8. So here we get the number 8. But now 15 में 5 से 8 नहीं आते, तो हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ से लेते हैं. लेट्स डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा यहाँ पर नंबर 0 और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा नंबर 15. 15 में से 8 गए, कितने रह गए फिर यहाँ पर? 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. ओके, व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? यस, 7. सो आवर सब्ट्रैक्शन इज द 7. So 7 is our remainder and 11 is our quotient. So write down quotient is equal to 11 and remainder is equal to 7. Okay students, so now again we do have the example, divide 67 by 4, write the quotient and remainder. Let us do on the next page, that is the page number 22. So let us do the division. 67 by number 4. So again 4 1s are 4 because 6 is the bigger number, and 4 2s are 8. So we have to take the 4 1s are. Now 6 minus 4, that is the 2. Now let us take 7 down. Okay, now we know the number. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24 and 4 7s are 28. So but we have to take the less number, so 4 6 are 24. We have to take that number. Now 7 minus 4, 4 5 6 7, so 3 is our remainder. 2 minus 2 is the 0. So we get here quotient is the 16 and remainder is the 3. So here quotient is equal to 16 and remainder is equal to 3. Okay students, so now let us do and check the long answer questions. Here we have to divide the 378 by 3 and check your answer. That is the question number 15. Let us do the division over here. 378 divided by 3. Okay, so ये तो सेम नंबर है, ठीक है. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so here we get the 0. Then again take 7 down. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. Yes, we can take the 3 2s are 6 because 7 here. 7 minus 6 is the 1 and again take the 8 down. Now we can say that 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. Yes, 3 6s are 18. So here we can do 8 minus 8 is the 0, 1 minus 1 is the 0. So we get the remainder 0 and we get the quotient is the 126. Okay, so our answer is the 126. So we can check out our answer by this method. We know that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor or divisor plus remainder. If our both side is the equal, then our answer is the equal. That means we have the dividend is the 378 is equal to quotient is the, yes, quotient is our 126 and divisor is the 3 plus our remainder is the 0. Now let us do that multiplication. 3 6s are, so let us do the multiplication over here. So 126 multiply by 3. 3 6s are 18, 1 carry forward, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that is the 7 and 3 1s are 3. So what we get the 378. Let us write down here 378 and here 378 plus 0. That means 378 is equal to 378. That means our answer is the correct because our LHS and RHS are the equal. Okay, in the same way you can check and solve out the 16 example. So that is your for your homework part. Okay students, now let us do some word problems from the page number 23. So here we have the word problem, that is the short answer questions. Example number 17. Ram has 40 chocolates. He wants to distribute them equally among 5 children. Okay, so how many chocolates will each child get? Now राम के पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स है? 40 हैं और उसको 5 इक्वल बांटने हैं 5 स्टूडेंट्स में. सो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 5 से 40 को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो 40 डिवाइड बाय 5, so we will get our answer. So here let us write down Ram has total 40 chocolates. So and the number of children कितने हैं यहाँ पर? 5. So each child get that is the 40 divided by 5 chocolates. So let us do the division here. So 4 is the smaller number. So sing a table of 5 till 40 or less than 40 numbers come. Okay. So we know that 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, and 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are what? 40. So here 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, and 4 minus 4 is the again 0. So we get the remainder 0, and we get the answer is the 8. So or we get the answer 8. That means each child get 8 chocolate. So you can write down here, each child get 8 chocolates. Okay, so that is our answer. In the same way you do have the रीता एग्जाम्पल्स. सो हियर हमें क्या करना है, 32 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है. सो कितने लड्डूस मिलते हैं हर एक स्टूडेंट्स को. सो स्टूडेंट्स कितने होते हैं, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स विल गेट द लड्डूस. तो कितने स्टूडेंट्स को लड्डूस दे पा रही है रीता, ये समझ में आएगा. सो दैट इज एग्जाम्पल फॉर योर होमवर्क पार्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ that is for your today's workbook work. Next part, that is the page number 24 to next pages, we will solve in the next video. Bye for now, take care.